Hey everybody, Caleb here with Steve Meyer's Service today to go over the all-new Toro eTimecutter 42-inch battery mower. This is Toro's 42-inch mower in their eTimecutter series that is paired with their 60-volt lineup, and this is going to work with all of their 60-volt flex force battery tools. So let's get started. First off, we have your height of cut adjustment here. Just like all time cutters, you can pull that up and in towards the operator, and that's going to let you adjust your height of cut. Then, as we go to the side here, we're going to have your control panel. So here we got your key switch, we have your blades high and low, you have your ground speed high and low, and then we got your PTO to turn it on. Up here we got your control screen, so as you turn on your key, there is an on position that's running, and then when you turn it one step farther, that is your start. Then that's going to light up your screen here, and then that's going to read out your different percentages and your overall percentage on your batteries. So it will tell you when the operator is in the seat. It'll tell you that you're in the park, or that your parking brake is on, and then it'll also tell you when you're in the neutral position, when your sticks are in. So there we go. Then it's also going to read out the hours on the unit. In order to shut it off, just like any other key, go ahead and turn that off, and it'll shut the screen down. Under the seat, there really isn't going to be anything, but it does fold up in case you would want to blow any grass and debris out of there. But like I said, there's nothing under there to mess with. Then with the seat folded down, takes us back to the engine. When you come to lift up this blue panel here, that's going to give us access to our batteries. The 42-inch comes standard with 4 10-amp-hour batteries, and then you have room for 2 additional slots here. So they do read out 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's your spot for 5 and 6. You can read the individual levels on your batteries by pushing the blue buttons, or you can also read it on the screen. Now here's the cool thing, because this is a part of Toro's 60-volt system, you can add any 2 batteries that you want. So if you have some 2.5s, although even 2s is their lowest one, all the way up to 10s, you can add those in, you can mix and match, and they will all work together. The 42-inch mower, and actually all of Toro's 60-volt zero turns, are going to come with their 6-bank charger, which means you can put all of those batteries on a charger at once, and then it will charge them as it goes. As we go to the side here, we're going to get to this pretty cool looking sticker. It's going to give us to our USB. We have 2 USB ports that allow us to charge a phone or do whatever you need. Got your cup holder, your little storage tray here. We also have a storage tray under the seat, just like all the other time cutters. And then here is your parking brake. When it comes to your parking brake, you're going to push that in and then turn your foot to the right. And that's going to allow the parking brake to then depress, and it will remove the brake. When it comes to the battery mower, just like on almost all battery mowers, there are no belts. So there is not a single belt under there, just ran by cables. So when it comes to maintenance on a year-to-year basis, the only thing that you have to worry about with this mower is having sharp blades and charged batteries. So, alright, that brings us to a wrap on the Toro eTimecutter 42-inch with the fabricated deck. If you got any questions, as always, leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.